shadow is the only friend that I have.
Why? Why did Bruce have to die? All he did was help people. He was a good man. It's not fair.
Listen, listen, I would take a whisper if that's all you had to give. But it isn't, is it? You could come and save me and try to chase it crazy right out of my head. I'm out on the edge and I'm screaming my name like a fool at the top of my lungs.
I have to do this alone, understand me? I don't want you to die!
When I close my eyes, I pretend I'm alright, but it's never enough. 'Cause my echo is the only voice coming back. Shadow is the only friend that I just my echo.
I don't understand. Why did this have to happen?
Shadow, you're my only friend, and I'm out on the edge, and I'm screaming my name like a fool at the top of my lungs. And sometimes when I close my eyes, I pretend I'm alright, but it's never enough. 'Cause my echo, oh my shadow.